Still creating ads the hard way, filming yourself, hiring actors, spending hour editing. Thanks again. In this video, I will show you how to create scroll-stopping, high-convert TikTok, Instagram, and Shorts YouTube ads without a camera, without actors, and without recording your voice. Try Across AI and start creating pro-level ads without a camera. Link in the description. Step 1. I create new project. First, I open Across AI and click New Project. From the drop-down, I select Talking Avatar. This lets creating video up to 2 minutes long with full video. There are also option for 5 seconds listening clips, but in this tutorial, I will stick with talking actors. Step 2. Added your script, audio. Here you can write script up to 1500 character for audio. Or you have two options, text to speech, speech to text. In this video, I will use text to speech. Step 3. Choose AI actors. Next, I click Added Actors. You'll see a full library AI avatar you can fill by genders, ages, style, experience. You can also choose backgrounds, sirens, emotions, skin tones. On my favorite features, you can over avatar or preview this voice, which makes choosing the right one super easy. For this project, I will choose a female young adult avatar for the main hook, a second avatar to add variety and realism. This instantly make the ad feel more like real UGC. Step 4. Write a smile ad script. Here, the script I will still watching Netflix on your funny or your 20 phone screen. Project a big anywhere with this pocket size projector. Release HD and fits in your plane. You all become on cinema. Don't miss out. It's going viral for reasons. Short screen, scroll stopping. Step 5. Voices settings. Now let fine tune the voices. Speech speed 1x the natural, 1.1 faster, more for TikTok style. I will use 1 for clearly. Subtitle high, published, comfortable. Lower, more human and natural. It will say 0.5 for realistic UGC video. Similarly, control consistency and productions. I recommend 0.75. Actually builds still naturally. Stale ingredients. This controls emotions. 0.3. Natural 0.3 and 0.5. Expressive. I will use 0.3. Friendly, not dynamic. I repeat this setup for the second actor will slowly faster, pacing, keep the energy high. Step 6. Generate the video. Now we confirm the content guides and click generate. Accords checks the script fast, then generated the full video. This usually take just a few minutes. And done. We now here ready for post ads for TikTok, Instagram, Reels, Facebook, and YouTube Short. No filming, no actors, no editing stress. Now let me show you something powerful. This let you control the actor body language using simple prompt. For example, like this: make the actor smile confident and point at the camera. Perfect for CSTS product placement. I choose male avatar, generate the guides clips, and within seconds I have another UGC style assist ready to use. Coming, this is clips, and you've got a full publish edit, all more with AI. If you're running ads, launching product, or testing a creative, this tool can save you a lot of money and effort and time, while still delivering pro-level result. The link in the description. Try Actors AI and start creating pro-level ads without a camera. Thank you for watching and see you the next one.